Happy holidays, everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 classic Christmas treats vegan. We're going to start off with the classic freshly baked cookie. Now, even though we're baking these cookies, I'm not making them homemade because ain't nobody got time for that. Luckily, the brand Sweet Loren's makes a super delicious store-bought cookie dough. As you can tell, I'm quite excited. So first, we're just going to get out our pan and use a reusable baking mat if you have one. And we're going to try out 2 different cookies, the classic chocolate chip and sugar cookie. What I also love is they're already pre-portioned because I have no self-control, and you know I'd try to make one big cookie with half the batter if I made them on my own. All you gotta do is pop them on the tray. We're gonna bake these cookies at 325 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. I bake mine for only 12 minutes because I like them soft and doughy, but if you like them a little crispier, then leave them in for closer to 15 minutes. And then they're done. You've got delicious vegan gluten-free cookies. Next, we're going to make some puppy chow mix. This is more on the homemade side, but is still super simple to make. All you need are chocolate chips, some peanut butter, which is a good start because anything with chocolate and peanut butter has to be delicious. Then add some coconut oil or vegan butter if you have some. And then we're going to microwave this mixture in 30-second intervals. So this is what it looks like after 30 seconds. This is what it looks like after 60 seconds. And then we put it in for another 30 seconds and we get a nice melted mixture. And you're going to want to stir the mixture after each 30-second interval. Now we're going to pour a box of our rice cereal in a separate container. And then we're going to pour the chocolate mixture over it and stir until everything's well combined and super chocolatey. Mix, mix, mix. You also kind of want to be gentle with it so that you don't break the cereal into like little bits. Now we're going to use a reusable stasher bag to make this recipe a little lower waste. And then we're going to pour some powdered sugar inside and then add half of the cereal mixture in the bag as well. Then all you have to do is shake it up so everything's covered in powdered sugar, and it's good to go. No baking required for this recipe. And then I divided the puppy chow into separate reusable stasher bags and wrote cute little Christmas sayings on it, like this one says, naughty or nice. This is also a cute gift you can give to someone. Now, last but not least, we're going to make some vegan hot cocoa. I'm using oat milk, but you can use any kind of plant-based milk you want. And then we're just going to microwave this until it's warm. Then pour in a packet of the stigmatic hot cocoa mix. And you can use an electric whisk if you have one, or you can just pour this mixture in a blender and blend it for a few seconds. Now we can't forget about our toppings, so we're going to go in with some vegan mini marshmallows. And some dairy-free coconut whipped cream because Mama likes her whipped cream. I also put a couple more mini marshmallows on top just because you can't have enough marshmallows in your hot chocolate. All 3 of these recipes are super easy to make and only require a couple ingredients. Plus, I guarantee any friends or family you make these for won't even know that these are all dairy-free. If you don't believe me, try it out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video and comment down below which treat you're excited to try first. Happy holidays!